Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to follow someone in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open the app, you will be ending up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. So once you tap on menu, you will be redirected to this interface where you need to tap on this people option. Once you tap on it as well, you will end up in this page. So simply go in the discover section and hit the follow button in the people you find interesting or you want to follow, or you can even go in the search bar and search for a particular person you want to follow. So once you type in the name of the person you want to follow, the profile will appear. So only hit on the follow button and that person will get followed on Oculus. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.